Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2003 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power sunroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need.